All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm about to show y'all how to start off with the human flag training. Okay, this is exactly what I did to help get me from beginner to more intermediate. Okay, so before we even start off with human flag, we have to build up our core strength. It's a lot of core and technique, and a little bit upper body strength as well. Right? But first off, what we're going to do is we're going to start off and build our core. So we're going to go down to the mat, right? And these are 3 movements that I did, right? So we're going to go down to the mat, and we're going to do side planks, right? Make sure that the elbow is underneath your shoulder or closer to your body, okay? You don't want to go all the way out here, not yet, right? Because we may have a little bit of too much strain on our shoulders. So make sure that your elbow is right underneath your shoulder, all right, or closer to your body, all right? And you want to raise up, lifting up the hips all the way to the side, right? And this is for the first movement of just side plank. We're going to hold it here for 30 seconds, right? And then we're going to come back down, okay? Then we're going to come back up for 30 seconds, and then come back down, okay? And that's the first movement, all right? We're going to do that 3 times. Each 30 seconds is 1 time, all right? The second movement that we're going to do, all right, is we're going to come up after we've mastered that side plank. We're going to come up, and then we're going to raise our outside leg up and down. We're going to go for 10 reps right here. All right, start off with 10. If you can't start off with 10, start with 5. Right, start off with how many you feel you're comfortable with, right, and then build from there. Okay. The third movement that we're going to do, right, after we've mastered both of those, is going to come up, raise the leg up, elbow behind your ear, and then we're going to crunch down, bring your knee up to our elbow, and then out. Down, and then out. Right. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Right. Hope this helps. Like for more, and I'll see y'all later in the next video. Peace.